really big family, but I'm the baby girl. Actually a 5-time world and reserve world champion. I got scouted coming from a horse show in Texas by Trump Model Management when I was 12 years old. So as soon as I turned 15, I drove down to Miami and went to open call. Everybody says that I look like a California girl, but I consider myself a mix. I'm a city girl, I love the beach, and I love farms. So as soon as I'm done modeling, I would love to just start a barn with my sister and raise a family exactly how I grew up. Beach bunny is unique because it is sexy and there's fun details like sparkles or different kinds of fabric and print. And today's suits were so much fun because they were super sexy and lingerie-like, and I love lingerie. I'm off to take the red eye back to New York. See you guys next time.